Hello HTF haters and Angry Birds fans, today we are going to talk about why the flippy screaming sound effect is being overused. 1. This sound effect appears in Brinda's video and in a Ned Flanders screaming collab video. 2. I cannot believe why this sound effect always appears in every video or in every screaming collab video. 3. It gives me a heart attack and it makes me scared. 4. It always make me have nightmares. Anyways, that's all for the video. This is Elena the Akapaz lover signing off.